So hi guys, this is Gautam from QSpiders Rajajinagar. We have got a place student in QSpiders Rajajinagar and she will be sharing her experience.
Hi guys, my name is Preethi and I'm from Sambhram Institute of Technology. I had taken the stream Electronics and Communication and 2025 year pass out. So I joined QSpiders in the month of June. First I started with Java, who my trainer was Santosh sir. I got a real good knowledge from Java, and then I had manual. Manual is taken by Niranjan sir, Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. So we got full details about manual testing and all the things, hands-on experience and how we have to do manual testing. We'll get each point to point knowledge on that. And then I went to SQL. SQL was taken by Vinod sir. I had got Selenium trainer as Rahul sir. So and then API trainer as Jeevan sir. And even I have done my internship on Fireflink. It is a very good hands-on experience on internship for automation testing. So this is how I got my process in QSpiders.
Very nice, congrats.